In this video, I'm going to be going through some more expanding brackets questions with you, and these ones are just a bit more difficult than the ones we've previously seen. So if you look at the orange box on the right, remember x times 5 will get you 5x, but if you're doing x times x, that will get you x squared, not 2x. Likewise, x times x times x will get you x cubed, not 3x. So make sure you remember this. Now, let's look at the first example. So we have x outside the brackets, x plus 3 in the brackets. So let's expand our brackets using the arrows. So x times x, that is x squared. X times 3 then we have 3x. Done on the right now. So 2x times x squared. So first of all, we're going to have a 2, because we only have one number, but an x times x squared, that will get us x cubed, because there are 3 x's there. Now, when we do 2x times minus 4x, 2 times minus 4 is minus 8, and the next times next gets us x squared. And then 2x times plus 2, that will get us plus 4, and there's an x. So let's have a look at some more examples. So in this one, we need to expand the brackets and then also simplify. So let's do the one on the left first. So x times x, that is x squared. X times minus 3, we have minus 3x. Then minus 5 times x, that is minus 5x. Let's make that bigger. And then minus 5 times plus 2, that is minus 10. Let me just make that a bit neater in the middle there. So minus 5x. Okay, let's look for like terms now. So we only have one x squared, so let's keep that there, x squared. But then here we have a minus 3x and a minus 5x. That will simplify to minus 8x. And then we just have one number, which is minus 10. So then that is my final answer. Okay, another one like the previous example. So let's expand the bracket on the left first. So 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times minus 4, we have minus 16x. Then minus 3 times x is minus 3x. Then minus 3 times minus 4, that gets us plus 12. Remembering a minus times a minus gets us a plus. Now, any like terms here? So we only have one x squared term, 4x squared. Now we have a minus 16x and a minus 3x. That will get us minus 19x. And then we just have one number, so plus 12. Final example here. We are told that a garden has a width of x meters. The length of the garden is 5 meters longer than the width. Form an expression for the area of the garden. So the first thing I'm going to do is just draw this out. So we're told the garden has a width of x meters. And then the length of the garden is 5 meters longer than the width. So a lot of people get very confused as soon as word problems come into it, but let's just imagine we are told that the width was 10 meters. And if, let's say, the width was 10 meters and the length is 5 meters longer than that, you know straight away you're going to do 5 plus 10. So it's the exact same here. If we know that the width is x and the length then is 5 meters longer than that, it's just going to be x plus 5. Then we need to form an expression for the area of the garden. So to find the area of a rectangle, you multiply the length by width. So let's do that. And when you're multiplying algebraic expressions like this, we're going to use the brackets. So we're going to have x multiplied by x plus 5. Now x times x squared, x times 5, 5x. And that is the expression for the area of the garden.